A big drug bust on the Pennsylvania Turnpike. Police confiscated more than $2 million worth of heroin.
And police say the driver was headed to Pittsburgh. Pam Surano's live with why police pulled over the driver in the first place. Pam.
Christine, the street value, the shocking amount of heroin seized, and also the training used by investigators turned what should have been a routine traffic stop into a $2 million drug seizure on the Pennsylvania Turnpike.
This is the largest seizure that Tacit has made, and Tacit's made an unbelievable amount of seizures.
Trooper Steve Lamani says the Turnpike is the major thoroughfare between three main cities feeding drugs into our region: Philadelphia, New York, and Chicago. Wednesday night, as this white Suburban passed through Somerset heading to Pittsburgh from Philadelphia, what was found inside was shocking.
It's an incredible amount of heroin that we were able to seize off the Pennsylvania Turnpike.
Trooper Lamani says what state police found was anything routine during a traffic stop, thanks to trained investigators.
They were able to find a compartment in the back that was a dead space, like an aftermarket compartment that was installed. And once they were able to access that, they found 4,000 bricks of heroin.
Authorities say that equates to 200,000 stamp bags of heroin with a street value of roughly $2 million. Police say the alleged drug runner, Ana Rodriguez Gonzalez, was driving alone, and police say she went to sophisticated lengths to hide the drugs.
And then they tried to carpet that area to make it appear like it would flow with the rest of the vehicle. And the one thing about the Tacit team, they have an extensive knowledge of vehicles and what the interior is supposed to look like.
Rodriguez Gonzalez is now charged with intent to deliver and is in the Somerset County Jail. Police suspect she wasn't acting alone, and tips are welcome.
We were very fortunate. I think that one of the things of trying to get that amount of drugs before it got into our communities probably saved lives. A significant win for the good guys when it comes to taking all these drugs off the streets.
And also, police credit this ongoing training that they have as critical to stay one step ahead of sophisticated drug trafficking efforts like the one they saw on Wednesday night, as well as a dog that is now available to assist them in drug searches that is close to the Turnpike. We're live tonight. Pam Surano, KDKA News.